Hello, I'm Peter Jaffrey, and today I want to show you a little bit about what I do here at Choice. I work out of the Edmonton office, and today I want to show you something cool I discovered on Google Ads. So, when you search on Google, you can add a new lead form extension to your ads. The ad is shown as displayed right here with the headlines and the descriptions, like you probably already know. One thing that you can do is you can add this lead form extension. So what does it look like? It's just um, a typical form, but it pops up right inside of Google Ads. So the person doesn't have to leave to your website. And the name, all the fields, they're pre-filled when that information is available. So a lot of people, they're signed into Google and that information is already in their account. It pre-fills it and they have the option to simply just hit submit. It's a really convenient way for big ticket spenders to kind of request consultations. In this case, we're going to do full mouth implants. And what we've got here is a lead form that gets sent to a webhook. You can integrate lead forms with various applications, and you can also integrate them with webhooks. Webhooks allow us to take these lead forms, do something with them. In this case, we're going to send them by email to the client. On our website, we built this little application using n8n.io, and we can actually build out a webhook fairly easily to allow the Google form to send it to the workflow server and then have that server take care of the business, sending it to email, sending it to Google as a conversion, and potentially sending additional information to Google to capture enhanced conversion tracking data to make your ads smarter. So I know that sounds like a mouthful, but let's just get started. So we've created this webhook, and when the webhook comes in, it's going to send an email, and it's also going to post a message to our chat server so that my company, we can watch a chat room for the leads that come in and just make sure that an account is in good health and that the leads are coming in because that's what we want. But what a webhook is it is a website URL like this one where it listens to and it catches information that's passed to it. So when you're on the internet surfing a web page and you submit a form, that form is going to get posted somewhere. And what we do is we're going to post that Google form to this webhook address, just like this. So you can see this is going to post to here. So we can turn it on. We can post test data. We need a unique key. So for unique keys, I like to generate those just any kind of random string will do. If I had my command prompt open, it would be a lot easier. Oh, whoops. Just paste it right here. We'll send some test data. I believe there was too much of a delay, so I'm going to just double check. Okay, I think I fixed it. You want to make sure you get the right URL. And test data is sent. And you can see it's posted. So it's posting this JSON data, which, contains all the user information. We take that data and then we send it by email to the appropriate email addresses. Okay, and it's formatted in a certain way. So it's formatted like this so that we can see um, the submitter's information. And then we also post it to a channel, like a Slack room channel. That's it. So it's a very convenient and powerful way to get lead generation forms from Google's ad platform directly. I highly recommend the lead form extensions, especially inside of a Performance Max campaign. With really clever audience configurations and a good, solid Performance Max campaign, you can do really well with Google advertising. If you find Google advertising isn't your forte and you prefer to have somebody else do it, Choice.marketing, we're a perfect fit. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions or you want to hang out, you can find me on Reddit. You can find me on my own chat server, which is right at the bottom of our website. You just join the chat server. And we also have discussion forums for some Q&A. Not too many people are using the forums right now. So if you do send me a message on there and you don't hear back from me right away, then just send me a message and I'll go and check the forums. When the forums are active, I usually check them all the time, but lately they've been fairly quiet. It seems that most people that I engage with, they prefer the real-time chat, which is totally cool.